In this video, we will show you how to zoom in and zoom out in Google Slides. In here, to zoom in and zoom out using Google Slides, it's very easy. You can do clicking manually like this, zoom in and zoom out, or you can even using this person, okay? Or you can using shortcut keyboard key. For zoom in is Control plus Alt plus plus button. Okay, for zoom out is Control plus Alt plus minus button here. Okay, let's do with Control plus Alt plus button here. You can see there. And to zoom out, we can just using Control plus Alt plus minus button like this. And it's very easy to zoom in and zoom out using Google Slides. And that's all tutorial how to zoom in and zoom out using Google Slides. Hope this video helpful for you.